Hello friends! Welcome to Painting Hyun channel. I'm Jung. I try to make this channel for people to be painting easier no matter where they live in the world. Today's painting is I'm gonna be showing you how to paint really fun watercolor greeting card for any occasion. So today is the last day of the greeting card series. Lettering is love. And I'm going to paint hydrangea. These are all the greeting cards that we made with 3 weeks. Be happy, congratulations, and thank you. This is the free drawing, and I'm also sketched on the watercolor paper 7 by 5 inches. I used 2H pencils. And I want to cover today's spreads love with masking tape. I'd like to keep the green of the lettering part. So masking tape protects the paper from paint and waters. So I wanted to start that I apply water on the flowers paint of the paper. So I want to use wet on wet techniques. Taking out some water from main part of the flowers. I want to leave white paper space. The light is coming from the top of the right. So I'm adding the magenta color on the right part of the flowers and mixing magenta and ultramarine blue. I'm adding on the left part of the flowers. That is to say, the part is the dark and reflected part. Get some little bit of dark ultramarine blue and dark magenta. Put on each petals. Also, I'm adding a little bit of yellow on the flowers. I really want to make as natural flowers. These colors of paint will be mixing and spreading. Next step is touching the petals with a synthetic small brush. I'm doing clean up the petals and draw the edge of the petals. Draw petal outlines very gently. Take a little bit of sap green to draw the leaves. Paint leaves very gently. I'm using the synthetic Escoda Versatile 16 brush. This is color I mixed sap green mix ultramarine deep. This is the sap green colors, and I'm adding green water and thick of the green colors on the each petals because I wanted to make the natural looking. Some part take out the green colors. I'm taking off the masking tape that I covered the lettering. Today's phrase is the love. I used Micron O3 pen for writing. If you want, you could write some another phrase. Okay. Finally, I want to do mark on the center of the petals with white cashew. Also, you could use acrylic and white watercolor instead of a white cashew. Okay. Okay, the greeting card series is over. We had good time with greeting card series. Okay, I'm looking forward to see you on next video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.